Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel I always review my trade setup and my trade pairs. Good morning traders, and this is my Telegram channel where I update my trades and I share free signals on this Telegram channel. Here was when I posted a buy trade on XAUUSD that you should take a buy trade, and here is my setup using my trading strategy. So after sending them the signal, I have to go to my MT5 and place the trade. I started entering with 0.01, and at a point I saw that this was a good trade and I have to scale. So I started entering my second entry with 0.05 and I placed two positions. So 0.01 two times and then 0.05, knowing fully well that this is a very good setup and a valid buy on XAUUSD. So here was when I've already done placing my trade, and here is my stop loss level. So if market should come to that level, we are off the trade. From my first entry to that level, it should be around 10 to 15 pips, while from my second entry to that level should be around 18 to 20 pips. And this was a good risk to reward because we are targeting close to 100 pips on this particular trade. I've not taken any other trade that particular day, but I took this account from $15 to currently what we are seeing at $38.94 on my trade on CPI day. If you have not watched the video, the link to the video will be on the video description. You can go there and watch the video of how we took this account from $15 to $38.94. So this was when our trade was already giving us a very decent profit. This should be around 36 pips, 37 pips on XAUUSD. So I have to be taking screenshots for my thumbnail and to update my Telegram channel also. This 37 pips running in profit, and this for 2 pips too. But at this point, market was already at a resistance, and I was looking at this market to know, will this market break? But once it breaks that resistance, we fly. But market rejected and came back to our entry. It pained me, I won't lie. I have to update to my Telegram community also, telling them the market is back to our entry. Let's watch and see what market does. But if this market should by any means come to our stop loss, we are done with this trade. So we patiently held the trade, waiting for market to see what it will do. Here was when I was calculating how much I was making before market reversed, and I won't lie, I was pained, but thank God that I didn't close. I have to hold to this trade and make sure that I see the outcome. If this market didn't get to a TP, then it should take a stop loss and we are done for the day. This was where market rejected from that zone again and is back up in our favor, and I was so happy. This is 1 pips running in profit. I was just looking at this XAUUSD. Let me see what it is going to do to us today. So everyone was making this market together with me, and here I was seeing so many patterns, but I head on to my first initial setup, which was the divergence that made me took the trade, and I was hopeful that this market must get to that TP. But if eventually it didn't get there, here is my break-even level. As you can see, I've set my break-even level, and if market should eventually come back to this break-even, we are done for the day. So I have to hold the trade, seeing the market pretending it's rejecting again from that second zone. I have to update my Telegram channel, take partial profit and break even now. So we waited, and when I came back, market is already up. It didn't take the break even, and we are up 100 pips in profit. So this 100 pips, I was looking at the market, thinking of should I close or should I still allow the market. Here I was looking at the market, looking at it. If this market didn't eventually get to this TP, it's pain us because we have already been in profit and back to a little drawdown or back to our entry. So here I was already contemplating that I have to close this trade, whether it hits that TP doesn't hit, but we are just like 10 pips away from TP. And mind you that same day we have PPI news, and PPI news, I know that is also a high impact news of which it might impact on the market, so we have to close the trade. I have to close it 100 pips. So here was that same day during the PPI news, I saw a second trade opportunity, knowing fully well that market has not yet completed our buy target. So we are still waiting for market to see what it will do during the PPI news, of which I was expecting a buy, and now the buy has already given us enough confirmation. So we have already started scaling in, taking good entries, but due to the PPI news, the leverage was lowered and we were not able to scale in as we supposed. I wanted to scale in with 0.05, but I noticed that they reduced the leverage, and I have to reduce my loss size too. So As you can see here, market was already running and I was looking at where to set my TP target, knowing fully well that our trade confirmation was a head and shoulder. But if for any reason market just break the shoulder level and break the neck level and started going up in a direction, once market gets to that resistance to complete the head and shoulder pattern and makes a little move up, which also aligns with our daily high, we are going to close the trade, or you can still decide to allow the trade run depending on how fast the market is moving. That was the reason why I didn't have to set any market order for take profit. So here was when we are looking at the market, and market is already at our TP zone. As you can see, it's still the same account, the first trade and the second trade, as you can see that. So market was already giving us a decent profit, which is around 60 pips. Yeah, it's 60 pips. So we have to close our profits, for market has already gotten to our TP level, and I'm also tired for the day. So this is the neckline and market broke that made us take the trade, and it was a very good setup in as much as the market didn't give us exactly the normal head and shoulder we know, but we still took the trade and made profit. To God be the glory. So see you on our next video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, like this video, and please share with your friend and share to every XAUUSD lover. See you next time. Jovianking Trace.